Last year I went on the Seville trip, and that was my first time ever going abroad and really doing a full real travel trip. And it was amazing, the best experience of my life to be 6 weeks away in Spain. And I needed to do it again, honestly.
Really wanted to come back to Seville. I had a wonderful experience the first time. Why not do it again?
You walk through the streets and you're walking through a museum of sorts. You're literally experiencing history as you're walking through like the old city and even the new city, right? Honestly, you can stand there for hours because the architecture is so beautiful.
10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
The people I meet on the street are so kind, so helpful, so friendly.
I feel like Spaniards are very warm and welcoming.
I feel like I've formed better bonds here.
Seville just also like has more young people, I think has more of a nightlife. Everything is so convenient and it's very affordable. I like the food a little better there, I'm not gonna lie.
The main reason I wanted to go to Seville was to really practice my Spanish.
I wanted to join GlobalEd because it's a great opportunity for me to expand my Spanish speaking abilities as well as get some professional experience in the real world.
The internship opportunity.
Working in the hospital here has been an amazing opportunity. I've gotten exposure that I never would have gotten in the United States, and it was an amazing experience to be able to be so close and to learn from these physicians that know so much and learn it all in another language.
Working in a foreign country in a new language has really broadened my horizon. Just having that much more breadth over something I'm passionate about will help my employability.
Coming back, I do think there is some sort of magic. I love being abroad, I love being in Europe.
I just thought it was a great opportunity that hit all of my goals.
Focus on being here if you're going to do it and getting the full experience. I'm so happy I was able to do it twice in a row.
To anybody who's on the fence or like considering whether they should come here or not, I really recommend, like genuinely.
It's not scary. It's very easy. You can do it no problem. It's something that not a lot of people get to do. It's just an impressive thing that you did on your own.
I love it here. I want to stay more. If I could, I would stay at least 1 more month here. At least.
There's a lot more to the world. It's kind of just once in a lifetime. The way you feel after it's a high that you can't get anywhere else. There's no reason not to.